Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's a must-have for any 3D printing enthusiast, the HATCHBOX 1.75mm Black PLA 3D printer filament, which comes in a generous 1 kg spool. We found this reliable product online, and you can check the description below for the link to the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product actually is. The HATCHBOX Black PLA filament is a high-quality 3D printing material designed specifically for ease of use and versatility. With a diameter of 1.75mm and a dimensional accuracy of plus or minus 0.03mm, this filament is engineered to deliver precision in your prints, ensuring that your designs come out exactly as you envisioned. One of the standout features of this filament is its recommended extrusion temperature range, which is between 180 degrees Celsius to 210 degrees Celsius. This allows for flexibility in printing settings, accommodating various 3D printers and user preferences. Whether you're adjusting the heat for a specific project or experimenting with different speeds, HATCHBOX PLA offers the fluidity and toughness to get the job done right. Now, who is this filament suitable for? The HATCHBOX PLA is designed to cater to both beginners and seasoned experts in the 3D printing community. If you're just starting out, you'll appreciate how straightforward it is to use, allowing you to achieve great results with basic settings. On the flip side, experienced users can push the limits of their creativity, knowing that they won't encounter issues related to purity or tolerance while printing. Speaking of practical use cases, the applications for HATCHBOX PLA are virtually limitless. Whether you're creating intricate art pieces, detailed prototypes, or functional models, this filament stands up to the task. Its low warping characteristics and minimal odor make it ideal for home use, and you won't need a heated bed to get great results. Plus, the vacuum-sealed packaging with desiccant helps keep the filament dry and ready for action, preventing moisture absorption that can lead to printing issues. In terms of quality, HATCHBOX is known for producing top-tier 3D printing filaments. This PLA is formulated to be clog, bubble, and tangle-free, meaning fewer interruptions in your workflow and a smoother printing experience overall. The consistency and quality also ensures that your prints maintain high detail resolution, which is crucial for both artistic and functional applications. So, whether you're designing a prototype for a new gadget, crafting miniatures for a tabletop game, or creating educational models, the HATCHBOX 1.75mm Black PLA filament is a fantastic choice that offers reliability and high performance. Overall, if you're looking for a durable, easy-to-use filament that allows for both creative exploration and technical precision, HATCHBOX has you covered. With a reputation built on quality and a wide selection of colors available, it's no wonder this filament has become a trusted choice in the 3D printing community. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.